Shawna here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a trunk club unboxing. I think this is the biggest box I've ever had. It's huge. I'd had some bad boxes with Trunk Club, and then I had some really good ones, so I was really feeling good about them. However, on this one, I had asked for one of their themed boxes, like a lot of them are doing that now. You get a comfort box, you get a work box, and I asked for the athleisure box. When I got the notice that it had shipped, I went in and looked, and nothing was athleisure. And I wrote to them, what happened? And like, we don't know what happened. You didn't get an athleisure box. So I'm a little bummed about that. And usually they notify you and say, hey, check out your box. Make sure you want all this stuff, take stuff out, whatever. And I was conveniently not notified when my box was ready to view either. So I am trying to have a positive attitude about it and open mind about all this stuff. I'm a little bit disappointed though, because I really wanted one of the theme boxes. Like, even if they messed up and got me the Comfy box, I would not be disappointed, let's be honest. So I'm gonna open this up, try everything on, and let you know. It's all in plastic bags, so I'm not gonna unbox it here, but I'll try everything on as outfits, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and okay, I see you. I don't hate it. The sweater is BP, and it is actually really soft. The leggings are by Spanx, which I don't typically like leggings, but as tights under a sweater dress, cute, really cute. And then the boots are Sam Edelman, and they fit great, and I really like them actually. They're probably really expensive. I haven't looked at prices yet, but they're cute. Does anybody else have problems with their lovely yet large, strong calves being a little too big for these types of boots? Man, just pulling that zipper up over my calves is always a treat. But they're strong and they're perfect for me. So I'll just have to deal with the boots. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit. So it's this wine-colored faux suede cut from the Kloth Moto jacket, and this ribbed turtleneck dress. So you get the whole picture. So I'll tell you what I like and I'll tell you what I don't like. And I'll take the jacket off in a second. So the jacket, I love the color. It's cut from the cloth. It's stretchy and soft, and I like that. I do not like the cut of this. I don't know what it is. I don't like it at all. Okay. And then here's the dress. It is not a great material. Like that last dress had great, it was soft and snuggly, and I could wear it all day and I would love it, right? This one is not. This one's rougher. It's ribbed, okay? I don't know if you can see. It's a ribbed, it's turtleneck. And let's see, it goes, you know, past my knees. So my husband said, that is a terrible outfit. You look like an older woman trying to look sexy, like a cougar. He says, you look like a cougar with your Moto jacket. I was like, oh dear Lord. And then my daughter says, oh, you look like a sexy sock. Oh God. Okay, it's a miss, but it's soft. I mean, it's snuggly, but it's not good. This isn't good for me. Okay, let me go try on the next outfit. Free people, you did it again. This whole outfit reminds me of my friend Stephanie, and I will tell you why. Her and I were having a discussion about Free People, how it feels so soft and you want to like it, but there's something about the proportions that are always off. So do you think this seam is supposed to go under my boobs? What do you think? It's not, just for the record, it's not even close. Tell me where all this goes. Down? Doesn't look like it. Down like that? Really? Is that how it looks? Yeah, I don't know. It is so soft and ribbed and lovely feeling, and the shape is good. I like the rounded bottom. Stephanie says, oh, free people where you spend a lot of money and still look homeless. Yes, that is what free people is. Not to mention the proportions are all wrong. Okay, the jeans remind me of Stephanie because they are AG Farrah's ankle skinnies. And I love them. They're so soft and so stretchy and they fit perfect and they're a dark wash, and she just got AGs and she loves them now and she loves AGs. We saw these at Evereve. I've been wanting a pair. They're so much money. I don't know if they're worth the money. I mean, I can spend some good money on jeans, but I can look good in lots of jeans. Jeans that aren't, I don't know how much these are, 180 bucks or something. I can look good in jeans that are $100. I don't know. Tell me if you think they're worth it. I do love them though. Ugh. Okay, let me go try on the next shirt. Okay, here's the last shirt, and let me tell you what I like about it. I like the buttons in the back. I think they're cute and a nice detail. I like the little buttons here. I don't mind a dark mustard. That I like mustards and yellows. And it's kind of a fun soft material. It's by Madewell, so the quality is quite good. This isn't really doing anything for me. I don't know. It's cute, but I don't know. It's just not me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. It seems like a little frumpy. But is it cute? Is this a style like it's like marmish kind of style? I don't know. Let's look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices because it matters, unfortunately. One other thing that they did send was this what they call True & Co. bralette. It didn't fit me. It fit kind of like a sports bra, but less supportive. So I don't think it was a great fit for me. However, it was really soft. No underwire or anything like that. So if that's something you're interested in, it did feel great. It just wasn't a good fit on me. And I like a lot of support. There's not metal in here. It's not happening. But $49 for that. Okay, so the boots by Sam Edelman, which were really cute, and I actually had to get rid of my tall boots recently. These are $189.95. So they're cute. I'm just not sure I need boots like this right now. If I was going places, I could probably justify getting some boots, and these are really cute and soft and really good quality. But yeah, right now I'm just wearing slippers. Oh, speaking of slippers, guess what I just got? Evereve has Minnetonka slippers. They're like dark gray, they have a cream color, they have these ones, and they have some like camo, more booty kind. Are these not the most fun? I am just like wearing them everywhere. They're so cute. Okay, sorry, sidetracked. Okay, the next thing is the Farrah AG Farrah high waist skinny jeans, $188. I thought they were something like that. Worth $188. They're real cute. I love the wash. I love the feel. They're super soft. $188's high. And I got lots of jeans. I don't know. I gotta think about that. That's in the maybe pile. Okay. The next was the Madewell. They call it Golden Compass Plenum Top. It is really soft if this is your jam. It is $78. This is not my jam. I didn't hate everything about it, but it is not my jam. So, sad to go. Okay, the Free People vintage top. Okay, so my daughter put it on. It was still kind of weird on her, but we folded it down, and so it came like more cap. It was a lot of skin in here, but her little boobs fit in that little seam like they're supposed to. So again, I think Free People is a brand for young people. So this is $58. So to know, Free People, someday we will find a love match. Okay, so the charcoal sweater dress by BP is $49. Yay, that's a good price. I like that. And it's so soft and stretchy and lovely. Okay, okay. You're going over here. The Moto jacket is $55. It is not a winner. The sweater dress by BP that was ribbed, which had bell sleeves and was a little weird, is $55. And then the last thing is the black Spanx, and they're always, $68 for those. The Moto ones are a little bit more, but those are just the plain knit ones, and they're $68. And I have other leggings, I don't need those. So I think the sweater dress and maybe the jeans. All right, tell me what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications anytime I post new videos. Thanks so much. I'd love to hear your comments. See you next time.